Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to turn on or turn off VoiceOver on iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next in here, you could choose to use double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to use double tap. From this double tap screen, we scroll down to the accessibility section. Then tap on VoiceOver. So select VoiceOver. And whenever you need to turn on or turn off VoiceOver, you can double tap at the back like that.
VoiceOver on, FaceTime. Double tap to open. VoiceOver off.
So double tap on it again to switch it off, and double tap to switch it on.
VoiceOver on, FaceTime. VoiceOver off.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.